Good morning, Southwest Florida. I'm Bri Walling. This Naples Herald Morning Report is sponsored by our friends at the Kia of Cape Coral. This morning, we'll tell you about Collier's Neighborhood Health Clinic providing care to uninsured Southwest Floridians, an appeals judge striking down the use of a pseudonym in a case against Florida's new gun laws, and more. Today is Monday, May 21st, and this is the Morning Report. Founded in 1999, the Neighborhood Health Clinic was created to deliver quality medical and dental care to low-income, working but uninsured Collier County adults using a volunteer professional staff and funded solely by private philanthropy. All medical and dental professionals caring for patients have active Florida licenses. The Neighborhood Clinic isn't state-funded, yet has an annual budget of $2.4 million funded completely through individual donations, foundations, grants, business, religious, and civic organizations, such as United Way and Community Foundation. While local healthcare facilities only provide for pregnant women and children, HIV, AIDS, and tuberculosis, Collier County's Neighborhood Clinic provides services to more than 50,000 uninsured workers living in the area. Open Monday through Friday, Collier's Neighborhood Clinic is able to provide more than just aid to those in need. The Neighborhood Clinic also has an on-site medication room, allowing patients to leave their appointments with their non-narcotic medications, increasing adherence and improving health outcomes. They also provide patient education and research projects to increase patient knowledge about living a more healthy lifestyle and specific gene-related diseases that could affect patients in the future. The NRA is appealing a federal judge's refusal to keep the identity of a 19-year-old woman secret in a challenge to a state law that raised the age to purchase rifles and other long guns. The gun rights group filed the appeal after U.S. District Judge Mark Walker decided that previous court rulings forced him to reject the request to keep the identity of Jane Doe private. The NRA requested the use of a pseudonym for Jane Doe and John Doe, another 19-year-old who is part of the case. The request was based largely on a declaration filed by the group's Florida lobbyist, Marianne Hammer, who detailed threatening emails she'd received featuring derogatory words. The debate over the pseudonyms came in a lawsuit filed March 9th by the NRA, just hours after Governor Scott signed into law a sweeping school safety measure that included new gun-related restrictions. The legislation was a rapid response to the February 14th shooting at Parkland's Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School. The law raised the minimum age to purchase rifles and other long guns from 18 to 21 and imposed a 3-day waiting period on the sale of long guns such as the AR-15 semi-automatic rifle used in the Valentine's Day massacre. In late April, the NRA filed a motion to add Jane Doe as a plaintiff to the lawsuit, which contends the age restriction in the new law violates the fundamental rights of thousands of young adults. The NRA asked Walker to allow the woman to remain anonymous due to fear that public exposure could result in harassment, intimidation, and potentially even physical violence. But the 11th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals has made it clear that pseudonyms may only be used in exceptional cases and that there is a strong presumption in favor of parties proceeding in their own names. The arms race to build new theme park attractions in Orlando is paying dividends. A report released last week shows theme park attendance at the largest parks in North America last year was up 2.3%, powered by new attractions in Orlando. The Orlando market represents about a third of theme park attendance in North America. Last year, Disney World in Orlando opened a new land in its Animal Kingdom park modeled after the movie Avatar. Animal Kingdom saw an attendance increase of more than 15%, the highest of any major park in North America in 2017. And next year, Disney World is set to open a Star Wars-themed land, while Universal Orlando Resort is planning another Harry Potter ride. In all, an estimated $10 billion is expected to be spent on attractions, hotels, and retail and dining areas in Orlando. But the spending and building is not just limited to Orlando. Growth was even bigger around the globe than in North America. The top 10 biggest theme parks worldwide saw an 8.6% increase in attendance. But estimates put Disney's Magic Kingdom in Orlando at 20.5 million visitors, which is the most of any park in the world. And that was the Morning Report for today. I'm Bri Walling. The Morning Report airs Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. right here at NaplesHerald.com. And don't forget to check out our lunch break that also airs Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Thank you for watching.